How to put a hoop nose ring in. Putting a hoop ring into your nose piercing takes careful maneuvering, but with a little practice you can make the process a habit. The procedure will vary depending on the type of nose ring you choose, but you should pull the ring apart gently and reattach with ease by using a bead, segment or pushing the ends together. Just make sure you use a freshly disinfected ring and wash your hands thoroughly before handling it. Using captive rings. Pull the ring open with pliers. You might be able to do this by hand if the ring is fairly thin, but for 14-gauge rings and thicker, you might struggle to open and close the ring. If that happens, you can use captive ring opening, closing pliers. Softly pick up one side of the ring with your pliers and hold the other side with your hands, then bend and twist carefully. Remove the bead. The bead or ball of a captive ring is held in place using nothing but pressure. When you release the pressure on both sides of the bead, it will fall out. Hold the ring on either side of the bead. With your hands or pliers, gently pull both sides of the ring in opposite directions, pulling them apart. Avoid stretching the ring open too far, since this could make it difficult to fit the ends back together. Twist the ring. After you remove the bead, twist the ring into a semi-spiral shape, so you can easily fit it into your piercing. Turn one end clockwise and the other counterclockwise, but do this as little as needed. If you twist the ring ends too far apart, you might have difficulty twisting them back together again. Position the ring inside your piercing. Feed one end of the ring into the piercing hole on your nose. Gradually wind the ring further into the hole until the center rests inside the piercing and the opening lies directly below it. Fit the bead back onto the ring. The bead should have small dimples on either side. Fit the ends of the ring into these dimples by placing one side of the bead onto one end of the ring. Carefully twist the two ends toward each other again until they line up evenly. Then, push the second end onto the other side of the bead. Once the bead is snug and secure, the nose ring is set in place.